Hey everyone, it's Melissa, and today we're talking convection microwave cookware. Not all cookware works well in convection mode, and that affects your cooking. Convection uses circulating hot air, so your cookware must handle oven heat evenly. As thin metal trays? Nope. They warp and cook unevenly. My first recommendation? Stainless steel. Safe, durable, evenly heats. Great for roasting, baking, reheating, all super evenly. Cast iron is perfect for deep roasting or dishes needing slow heat. This gives you that golden brown finish everyone wants. Glass or ceramic works great as long as it says oven safe. Use it for casseroles or bakes where you want to see your food.
Avoid plastic or non-oven safe cookware. They can melt or release chemicals.
Metal is only for convection mode, never in microwave mode. A heavy bottom prevents burning and gives smooth heat flow. Always check the label. If it doesn't say oven safe, skip it. Shallow pans allow air to circulate. Deep, tall pots slow airflow. Choose metal handles. Rubber or plastic can melt. For daily convection cooking, stainless steel is my #1. Use oven-safe lids if needed. Some are safe up to 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you roast or bake often, go cast iron. For bakes or casseroles, glass or ceramic is your friend. Always preheat your convection microwave before baking. It helps your cookware heat evenly. Make sure there's enough space around your cookware for airflow during convection.